for third place. Russia. And we have our special guest, Mr. Kareem Singueco. Special guest.
Uy, sabi naman niya, uy. Bakit sasayaw ka na?
Right away. We need to hear.
Tatay, kailangan pang tumangkay.
Example between father and son. First time in history, Russell. Six and five yata. 6 and 3. Koy, ano ito ba?
Pasok siya ni.
6 and 4.
Ikaw ano may pasok mo na yun? Half day lang. Half day lang.
It is a referee, Mr. Abel Zapawan.
Kahit hindi ako half day, nakauwi na rin ako.
Bauer Guzman. Here we go. Top five markers and Wilson. It's a black ball set by referee Abel Zapawan. Ayaw magkasapaw yan. Here comes Joss. To Musselman. Looking for receiver. Pass to Marcus. Shot by Marcus. This is Mewin. Maganda by himself. Or this is maganda. Maganda by Mia. To Mr. Bernardo Gian. Chanel. Pass to Peñafel. To Loren. Loren is zigzagging. Pass to Bernardo. Still by Steven. Still around. Pass to Musselman. Is it okay for you, Mr. Musselman? Ventura to Bernardo. Bernardo for three. Mewin. Rebound by Mea to Ventura. Shot. No good again. Rebound by Eugene. To Musselman. Musselman. Pass to Josh. Looking for receiver. Pass to Musselman. Musselman to Ventura. Wala. Rebound by Peñafel. Shot. Yes, sir. 12-0. Peñafel now. Pass to Mejia. Mejia zigzagging. Bernardo. Shot. No good. Ramos. Yes, sir. By Mr. Ramos. The score 4-2. Coy with the receiver. Jones. Touchdown. And now we send on number 6, Mr. Mejia. Mejia. First foul and first 2 foul. Eugene Ipani the ball. And Mr. Musselman. Still by Mr. Ventura. Ventura. Peñafel. Yes, sir. All 4. Mr. Coy. Looking for receiver. Reyes. Reyes. To Singueco. Singueco. Sending the middle shot. No good. Rebound by Musselman. To Singueco again. For three. Is going again. Rebound by Mejia. Mejia. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Shot. No good. Rebound by Ventura. Ventura shot. No good. Rebound by Marcus. To Mr. Coy. 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 Sayang na rin. Mr. Bernardo. To Mejia. All of them left. Yes, sir. Change the ball. 6-4. Steven Coy. To Eugene. Eugene. For three. No good. Rebound in the ball. And the back to Bernardo. Bernardo is a layup.
Yes,
Yes, sir. 8-4. Here comes Steven. Easy to win by Steven. Steven now. Steven, top of the key to Mr. Musselman. shot. No good. Rebound by Lucas Peñafel. Pantera, remains. No good. Rebound by Steven. Good, ready, good, Steven. It's a same ball. That's Sato Mr. Noel Media. Score 8-4. Corey Perez. Perez to Marcus. Marcus to Steven for 3. No good again. Rebound by Peñafel. Peñafel. Second back Peñafel. No good. Rebound by Marcus. Marcus now. Marcus to Masaman. It's a same ball. Just shot. Rebound by Fernando. Fernando. Hallelujah. Yes. Here comes Coy. Easy to win by Coy. To Eugene. To Coy. Coy, great shot. No good. Rebound by Noel to Bandera. Bandera. Marcus shot. Yes, sir. Great force. Time out. 3-4. Marcus to Steven. Easy to play by Steven. Steven now. Steven, the by Peñafel. Pass to Coy. Coy to Andrew. And Steve by Mr. Bernardo. Fernando pass to Peñafel. Recover by Peñafel. Peñafel to Mea. Side shot. No good. Recover by third shot. Yes, sir. Coy. Steven. Pass to Andrew. Back to Coy. And Garamisa forward. Number 6, Mr. Delia. That's your second personal foul. And second team foul. Let's see the 2 shot by Mr. Cole. Gonzalez, no good. Not enough energy. Let's see that second shot. Yes, sir. Split. Third shot by Mr. Masaman. Here comes Bandera. To Ramos. To Peñafel. Peñafel. To Mea. Mea. To Bernardo. First and 3 seconds. Terrorism by Mr. Media. Coy. Second by Coy. Bandera. Yes, sir. Bandera. Bandera. Still by Peñafel to Mea. Mea take. Back to Bernardo shot. Is good. Rebound by Mea shot. Is good for by number 6, Mr. Media. Number receiver, Marcus palm shot, no good. Rebound by Bernardo. Bandera, basket count, Sabrek. Steven out, and Jake in. Let's see.
Pero okay na ba kayo?
Coy.
Hindi pwede mapasok.
To Jake.
Ipapasok ko na yun.
To Marcus. Back to Coy. Right now, looking for receiver. To Andrew for the long ball. No good. Rebound by Marcus. To Coy. Shot by Coy. No good. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew to Jake. Jake to Coy. Coy, good shot. Yes, sir. Papandang tira by Mr. Coy. Bring it back. To Bernardo. To Ramos. Ramos. Zigzagging by Ramos. No good. Rebound by Mejia. To Ramos. Ramos. Reverse. Yes, sir. By Mr. Ramos.
Yes, sir.
Point. To Jake. Jake. Zigzagging. He's still by. And remember by Jake. To Josh. Going for a three. No good. Rebound by Marcos. And stay by Mr. Noel Mejia. Ramos. Ramos to Bandera. Back to Ramos to Bernardo. Bernardo zigzagging. No good. And rebound by Boy. Boy now. Boy. Zigzagging by Boy. Back to Boy. Boy. Shot. No good. Rebound by Mr. Togapel. And timeout. Right. This is Motherboard, third place. Next game, Team Royal and Team Royal for the first place. Rodney. In Panadol Rodney to Mejia. Shot, no good. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew to Drake. First shot, no good. Rebound by Mejia. To Peñapel. Easy to win by Peñapel to Mr. Mejia. Okay, ball for three. No good. Rebound by Josh. To Jake. Check now. Jake, zigzagging. Shot, no good. Here comes Rodney. Rodney. Rebound to Peñapel for the long one. No good. Rebound by Steven. Steven, going down as Ramos. Steven now. Steven, saying the middle, with the inside. It's a offensive foul. Saved by the referee. Abel Sapa. Mejia to Peñapel. So Sherry. Back to Peñapel. To get ball. Ramos. Ramos for three. No good. Rebound by Andrew. To Steven. Steven to Jake. Steven for two. Steven, 3 points. Last 50 seconds. Peñapel. Kembal, bagatin ng 3. No good. Rebound by Steven. Steven, Rando. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos to Peñapel. Middle shot. No good. Rebound by Jake. Jake for 3. No good. Rebound by Josh. To Steven. Steven with the rebound. No good. Last 10 seconds.
Ha? Trip na sana.
Anthony, Mr. George Pasen. Lasandro to Bandera. To Bernardo. To Bandera. Bandera to Lasarte. By Mr. Lasarte. Steven Fernando. Fernando. Bradley. Rebecca Andrew. Andrew to Steven. Steven. Steven, take shot. No. Rebecca Andrew. Take to Marcos. Marcos back. Shot. Fernando, Angela, Arowana, no. Rebecca Andrew. Randy shot. Mr. Jude. Let's see the tutunog shot by Raji. First shot is good for nothing. Let's see the second shot. Gigilid. Marcos and Steven pagkalong na sa elbow.
Wala talaga. Pero
Steven.
sa...
Their foul to Bernardo. Back to their foul. Their foul to Asante. Asante throws to Bernardo. Reverse. David. Release and foul. Mr. Jude. It's your second personal foul. A second team foul. Let's see the 2-2 shot by Mr. Bernardo. First shot is nothing but net. Second shot is yes sir, 2-2 shot by Gian Bernardo. Josh. It's taken by Bernardo. Bernardo to Radley. Easily touched by Radley. Score 12-30. Steven Randall. No good. Remember good. Shot no good. Remember good foul. Pantera. Pantera to Bernardo. To Lasarte. Is reversed by Lasarte. Jake. Jake now. To Marcos. Recovered by Andrew. Back to Marcos. Marcos. Steven. Miguel. Recovered by Kembao. Started to Bernardo. Easy to win by Bernardo. Easy to win out. Kembao for the lockdown. No good. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew now. Steal by Bernardo. And it's steal by Josh. And it's steal by Kembao. To Bernardo. Bernardo zigzagging. No good. Rebound by Steven. Steven now. Steven. To Marcus. To Jake. Jake to the receiver. To Andrew. To Marcos. Easy. Yes. No good. No good. Rebound by Batola. Steal by Steven. Steven zigzagging. No good. And time out. Black. Bandana. Lasarte. Pase, foul. Let's see the ball shot by Jones.
Mag-stay pa kayo pagkatapos ng game. Manonood kayo.
Ball shot. No good. Rebound by Bernardo. Gian. To Bandera. Ragi for three. Rebound by Pase. Still by Eugene. Ball. Narid. It's a same ball. Same by referee. Down to Guzman. Just Jack. Yes, sir. 16-32. Bernardo. Guadalupe. Bernardo. 3 points. Coy. Distributed by Coy. Inside the middle. Abandon tira. Wala. Rebound by Gian. Bandera. Bandera to Reggie. No good. Rebound by Marcus. Marcus. Rodri. Back to Marcus. Easy layup by Mr. Marcus Peña. Bernardo. To Rodri. To Bandera. Bandera play. To Rodri. For three. By Bernardo. Ready. Three again. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew. Eugene. Eugene to Coy. Coy. It's a white ball. Bernardo. Guadalupe. No. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew to Coy. Coy to Marcus. Marcus. Corner. Lasarte. 17 pound. Time out. Right. Let's see the first shot by Peña. Es no good. Susan. Is no good again. Rebound by Josh. Is the voice. Mr. Josh. Peña. To Melia, to Pase, MVP, no good. Rebound by Eugene. To Coy. Coy now, easy layup. Flat by Peña. Marcus, yes sir. Bernardo. Ramos. Ramos, no good. Pase. Partida number 12. Eugene back. Rodri. Is in 2 points by Andrew. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Peña Perez, no good. Rebound by Marcus to Eugene. Eugene to Coy. Kay Marcos. Marcos pa. No good. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew shot. Yes, sir. By Mr. Andrew. Mina. Bernardo. No good. Rebound by Bernardo. Bernardo. Ramos. Paganda. No good. Rebound by Marcos. Marcos. Boy shot. No good. Rebound by Bernardo. So MVP. Lumeria. Ramos. Yes, sir. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Foul pase. Pase out. Mandola in. Third team foul. Marcos Rondo for three. No good. Mia to Peñapel. Peñapel. The same ball. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Ramos. No good. Babay Bandera. No foul. Hold on. Andrew. Josh. Holding foul. Warning for penalty. Third foul. Bernardo. To Bandola. No good. Rebound by Josh. Still by Peñapel. Emilia. Big. Still by Cole. Ramos. 3 points. So well done. Peñapel. Ramos. No good. Rebound by Peñapel. Hold on. Cole. No good. Rebound by Cole again. Yes, sir. Still by Josh. To Eugene. Cole. Cole. No good. Marcos. Yes, it was by Marcos. Last 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Anybody's game. Jake to Steven. To Jake. Jake. Sa Steven. And a ball. Peñapel. Bandera. Ramos to Bandera. Bandera zigzagging. Easy for points on you, Mr. Bandera. Take now. Marcos. Eugene. To Steven. Or 3. Steven. 3 points. Peñapel. Bernardo. Peñapel.
Sa training niya, 3 oras na ikot na. Siya lang talaga.
Ramos.
pinigil. Hindi rin
Salamat sa din.
talaga titigil.
Mia. Stay by good.
Titig.
Jake now. Jeffers Marcos shot. Into the bench by Marcos. 25-47. Bandera, pantalón para Marcos. Iba by Marcos. Still by Bernardo. Ese no points by Bernardo. Jake. Eugene. To Josh. Set. And one. Followed Ramos. Oh, let's see the point shot by Mr. Josh.
Tracy na lang. Nagkatawag sila.
Yes, sir. Mia. Parang
Chinecheck pati namin yung video na yan. Papanoodin namin yan. Kasi ito makikita namin yung ano. Dapat ito ginawa mo.
Peña por Cornilla. Peña por Padalong pa. Nabu. Rebound by Marcos. To Santiago.
Recho!
Santiago to Jake. Still by Peña Pen. To Fernando. To Patola. All alone. Yes, sir. Jake now. Looking for receiver. Marcos. Black by Fernando. Tito, what Tito? Tito. Reyes. Jake. Get the back pass. Still by Bernardo. Benjamin Bandera. And followed Jake. Foul. Score 38-52. Time left 7 minutes and 19 seconds for the third quarter. And third person following you, Jake. The first shot is yes, sir. Nothing but net to you, Mr. Pandola. Second shot. Yes, sir. Jake now. Eugene, fake. No good. Rebound again by himself. Save. Sorry, Eugene. Still by Bernardo. Bernardo. No good. Rebound by Jake. Speed. To Marcos. Pam. No good. Josh. Easy to work by Josh. 40-4. Time left 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Mejia. Peñapel. No good. Rebound by Pandora. Allowed the rebound. Yes, sir. Mr. Pandora. 56-40. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 50. Jake. Zigzaggy. Narut. Bernardo. Easy to win by Bernardo. To Mia. Jake. Peñapel. Back to Mia. To Bandola. No good. Rebound by Reyes. serve. Mia Ndolo, Babay Mia Ndolo. Still by Cole. Cole, Josh. Easy no points by Josh. And timeout. Right. Score 44-56. Time left 40 minutes and 23 seconds. Ball. Peña Pérez. Peña Pérez to Ramos. Ramos, 6 seconds. Nabut. Rebound by Drew. Kick now. 6 seconds. Olympic. Nabut. Rebound by Ramos to Wali. And Simba. Last touch on Mr. Comer. Robin po dalawang it's not a yun. Sayang naman yun. Knockout. It's a black hole. Jake. Andrew. Andrew na rin. Para. Sherry. Sabre. From the block out. Jake out. And Sequento in. It's a second team foul. Still by Peñapel. Peñapel now. Peñapel. Sherwin. Sherwin.
Nagtatrabaho yan. Ha? Nagtatrabaho.
Nasa linya.
Randy. Still by Ramos. Ramos to the win. Back to Ramos. For the Roma. Steven. Jordi. Rebound by Bears.
Cut!
Hoy. Nabu. Still by Andrew. Hoy. Hoy, shot. Nabu. Rebound by Lasarte. Still by Marcus. Marcus now. Ingat tayo. Marcus, sa'yo. Mr. Grabe naman yun, Mr. Marcus Peñapel. Ramos Lasarte to Peñapel. Magu. Rebound by Marcus. Pwede pa si Marcus. Marcus. Steven. Hoy. Miscommunication between Corey and Andrew. Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Protocol 60. Peñapel. Ramos to Peñapel. Peñapel. 3 points. 63-44. Lenovo naman. It's Nabut. George. Basket count. Foul on Sherry. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Let's see the body shot by Mr. Josh. 30 foul. And second person fouling you, Mr. Pembao. The body shot is nothing but net on you, Mr. Josh. Yes, 47-63. Ramos is in the by Ramos. Look at the receiver. Ramin for 3. It's no good. It's a black ball. Correct. Number 27, Marcos. Para Ramos. Warning for penalty. Let's see, nandito ba yung shot by Marcos? Papagandang tira. Yes, sir. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Kembal. Yes, Sagi. Yes, sir. Pinagkatak by Koy. Andrew. Yes, 5 points by Andrew. Last 50 seconds. Philippine.
Away pa yun.
One shot by Victor. Kembal.
Sisihan ba?
Nagun. Rebound by Ramos. Paulan. Josh. 30 foul. Last 30 seconds.
Free throw.
Benjamin. Lasake. Nagun by Benjamin. By Boy. Steven last 10 seconds. Steven. Yes, sir. Steven Marcos. Nagun. Wait for the basket. And back to the volley, which is the last and final quarter. The score 52-67
Patrat, kaya pa yan!
is the right ball. Pandora, Bernardo, Nagun, Steven. Steven out. And as a offensive power, Mr. Steven. And 2 months for your debut, Mr. Steven Cifuenco. Rodney. Bernardo, Sherwin. Sherwin goes, Nuru. Rebound by Marcus. Andrew Petri. Nuru, rebound by Sherwin. Bandora. Set by Marcus. Marcus. Speed. Nuru, rebound by Josh. Josh. It's a rebound by Mr. Josh. Bernardo Bandora. Bandora, succeeding shot. No good. Here comes Mr. Marcus Benabel. To Jay. Jay to Andrew. Andrew to Steven. Steven for 3. No good. Bandora. No good. Rebound by Bandora. Still by Joe. One rule. Bernardo. Bernardo, Bandera. Lalu, Bambay Andrew. Wonder now. Steven. Steven. Lalu, Bambay George. Amanda. Yes, sir. 56-67. Bandera. Lalu. Rebambay Steven. Steven Tuaku. Andrew Pedalambang. Nage. Bernardo to Bandera. Bandera to Bernardo. Bernardo to Bernardo. Bambay George. Marcus. Marcus to Andrew. Pam. Yes, sir. Into time out. Right. 50-67. Time left. 6 minutes and 59 seconds for the fourth. Back to the ball game. Benjamin. Mia. Pagkalong 2. Nugud. Number Fernando. Nugud. Tambay Fernando again. Nugud again. Tambay Eugene. To Steven. Steven to Marcus. Marcus. Is replaced by Marcus. 60-67. Lumalapit. Bernardo Ramos. Ramos Pagkalong. Nugud. Tambay Marcus. Marcus. Steven. Ahora set ball. Sabre. Check out. Call in. Yudi. To goal. Marcus. Yes, sir. 62-67. 5 na lang. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Bernardo. Peter. To Melia. Nugud. By Bernardo. Pagkalong 3. Bernardo. 3 points. Greco. Marcos. Philippines. Nugud. Marcos. Marcos. Yes, sir. 6-point lead again. Last 5 minutes. Ramos. Philippines. Number receiver. Ramos. Zigzagging. Mostly by Mr. Yudi to Chicago. To Josh. Nugud. Josh. Yes, sir. 66-70. Apat na lang. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Ramos. Bernardo. Pagkalong 2. Nugud. Rebound by Reyes. To hold. Reyes. Steve Melia. Benjamin. Last touch by Ramos. Steven. Hoy. Marcos. Ramos. Sabihin ng Pinabel. Ramos padalok ng Benapa Yuli. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 66-70. Steven.
Uy, nahabol kayo.
Recover by Dios. Tukoy. Hoy.
Dandan. Ilang.
Bernardo. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Bernardo, Tolasate. Stop by Yuli. Yuli. What a turnover. Sign you. 3-2. Pilipin. Isisipin by Pilipin. Bernardo Madalong ng Leonardo Marquez. Marquez, against the Isisipin sa kay Marquez. Sumasarap ang laran. 68-70. Pilipin. Marlon Perez. 17 foul. Tutuloy po siya para na Sante. The score, 68-70.
Gumanda pa yung laban.
Last 2 point lead by the Jose Fernandez River. Let's see the center. The second police. Nagulagay. Rebound by Leo. Sa Paula Mejia. Third person of Paula Mejia and first team foul. First team foul pala. Last 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Hoy! Hey! Nice pass by Mr. Boy. Isa Bernat. Bernardo, Pinapel to the right tree. Steven. Josh. Eugene. Steve by Ramos. And Paolo and Paul. 30 foul. Score. 17. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Ramos, back to Gian. Ramos. To Gian. Gian zigzagging. Almost there. Just to Steven. Steven for the long one. Medellin. Sayang. 70-72. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Stian. Answer points by Stian. Apat na naman. Time out. Block. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 70-74. Seconds. Boy. It's a safe ball. Regarding this end. Back. White ball. Last 57 seconds. 74. Report po. White ball. Last 8 seconds. Score 17-74.
3 points, 3 points!
Right